So, hello. Yun is magkaano ako sa karank ng uh, mini challenge, coding challenge. So, sample output. Yung input format, you will be given two positive integers, a and b. A is less than or equal to b, and separated by a new line. For each integer n in the inclusive interval a or in b or b, if 1 is less than or equals to n, and n is less than or equals to 9, then print the English representation of it in lowercase, that is 1 for 1, 2 for 2, and so on. Else if n is greater than 9 and it is an even number, then print even. Else if n is greater than 9, it is an odd number, then print odd. Note is sample output 8 and 11 input, and then output is 8 and 9, and then even and odd since it lumagpas na siya sa given na 9. Okay. So, since dalawang input yung ano natin, input n and then of course scan f para kuhain natin yung sa input ng user, which is mapupunta sa integer value natin, which is n and m. Reference, and then we'll now of course initialize the for loop, which is int I is equals to 0, then I is less than, so given dito na b is greater than bm a, so m, then the expression natin is I plus since pataas siya, incremental. Then sa loob ng for loop natin, lagay tayo ng if yung n, yung first number, which is yung pinaka ano, so if n is less than 9, yung n muna, so target natin yung n. Kung yung less than n siya, check ulit natin if n is equals to 1, then we'll print out 1. Then else if n is equals to 2, and so on. Okay, so now that's done. If n is wait, so check natin if n is less than 9. So if n is less than 9, bang bang bang, and then sunod natin i-check is if n and 9. Okay, wait, 9 muna natin yung n. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Okay, so ito na. So na-print out na natin yung n. If n is less than 9, we'll print this out. So halimbawa yung n nya is 1, we'll print at 1. After this, if is isa pang if, since ano naman tayo, next condition natin, which is yung m. If n And then pag hindi and is mag-print na tayo ng which is of even or odd. If else kapag yung else if n is modulus, wait, else if n is to 1 bin or 0. I think 0 yung even. So if n, wait, mali. Wait, and just remember, okay, wait, baka medyo magulo. If n wait, n modulus 2 is equal to 0 and modulus 2 is equals to 0, I think, wait, tama ba? N modulus 2 is equals to 0. Check natin. Even modulo C plus n modulo 2, and then n modulus 1 is and then modulo is equals if we print out even, and then else if else will print out odd. Okay, so let's see. Okay, tagal natin to. Let's run. Oh. Mali. Oh my gosh. Nice. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and then 3. Okay. So now we have your output. So we print out. We have now a warning na nag-print lang siya. And since yung ano niya is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Nangyari siya ng 11 times. Okay. Let's see. It's 8, 9, and even odd. So we have integers n and f. So for example, let's say inputted 8 here, or let's say 1, then for print this out. If n is less than 9, which is 1, and then check ulit. If n is equals to 1, print 1, and then else print 1. I plus 1, so magiging 1 na siya. What the heck? kasi puro 8 lang. Oh, wait. What? Ay. Hindi kasi na wala pa akong M. Oh my gosh. Yung M natin. M. Okay, gamitin na natin. If M is let's run. Wait. 8, 8, 7, 8 even, 8 even, 8 even. Okay, may mali. What the hell? So, if n is equals to 1 else. Oh, wait. Even siya kasi 8 yung M. Wait, what if ginawa natin siyang N? 8 even. Okay. Wait. Mukhang tatagal ako dito what the heck? Let's see. New line. Wait, tingnan natin. Okay, di pa din. What the wait. Input na is I think pwede bang ganyan na lang. Isa lang yung niya. Eight. Oh my gosh. I think may tayo dito na kasi we printed out bang. Oh wait, mali kasi oh my gosh. Nasa Warlock pala tayo. Okay, wait. Check ulit natin. Initialization I is equal to 0. Checking is I which is 0 less than N, which is natin is miss. Na check natin is wait, I think mas okay dito na gamitin natin si N. Wait, no. Ay, hindi naman natin ginagamit si I. Ay, oo, kasi sa loob. I is no, that's the first print out. Printed out the 8, and then next is if M example is 8. Wait, let's LD natin long. Now is sabihin na natin 11. Oh wait, mas malaki siya. So nangyari is plus 1 k eh wait, I think int I is equals to n, since n yung start ng loop niya, so while yung I is less than m, plus, and then ito yung I natin, which is sabihin natin 8, because I is 8, 8 is less than 1, is n as a 9, if yes, we'll print, halimbawa, sabihin natin 8, sabihin natin 7, we printed out 7, now check if m less than 9, now if m is less than 9, wait, kailangan natin i-print out siya. Okay, print f, lagay tayo ng new line sa mga bawat component. Check natin ang nangyari. 8 even. Okay, so may mali pa din. Nangyari is sumasama to. So pag ginanggal natin to is 8 na lang. 8, okay. 8 nga. Kasi 8 yung pinakaunang input niya. Okay, let's see. Okay, 8. So tapos na tayo dito sa pinakauna, which is yung printing ng 8. And then I think. Okay, wait. Okay, wait, kasi for initialate tayo na I is equals to n, so since starting point niya is n, which is equals natin to I, so na-check natin while yung I is less than m, which is yung I natin equals siya sa value ng n, print natin. So if n is less than 9, print this out, else bang. So now yung n natin is equals na siya, so let's say yung m natin is 9 na, 11 na, check natin. Okay, check. Oh my gosh, ano ba yan? Wala. Dami sinabi eh. 80 na pala. Okay, mali. Wait. I plus lang. Ba't dapat ako nag-plus? Oh my gosh. take the value of n. Mm. Hmm. Pag ginanto natin, tapos even. So, even pa din siya. Or, wala na siya ano. Wait. Hindi ako nag-ano. Oh my gosh, else if. Ay, wala. Tama lang. Kasi, yung number niya na is 9, ay 10. Ito na siya. Mm. Hmm. Pag tinanggal ba natin to, magagalaw pa. Oh, meron. Hmm. 8. Ay, wait. Lagi natin initialize dito na I is equals to 8, no? Kasi, ano eh. So, wait. Pag ginawa natin siyang 0. 8. What? Okay. Ang tagal ako dito ah. Anong problema, pre? Lagi ko siyang initialize na. Wait. So, int main. Bang. Oh my gosh. No. Wait. Ilang oras na ako dito? Ay, okay, 24 minutes. Okay na yan. Deep breaths. Okay. Ano mali? For int I is equals to n, I less than m, I plus. If n is less than 9. Okay, so n natin, n. Wait. Yung n. So, lagi siya magiging ano kasi yung n lang natin. Oh my gosh. Wait, huh? Yung n. Yung I. Wait. N. Okay, so, nangyari. Kasi yung n, laging. Wait. Okay, kasi yung input lang ng pinakauna. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's check. Okay, why not? Why not? Oops, why not? Oh, what the? Why not? Ah, mm, mm, mm. Okay, let's see. 80. What the hell? I is less than I. Wait, what? I is less than is equals to n. So I is less than 1 equals to n. 8 even. Okay. So we got out of that 8 part. But, asan na yung pinaka natin? Pinakailangan natin gawin. So, syempre, let's see. Yung, yung ah else if, diba? Kasi, if I is equal to 1, we print out the 1, 2. So, let's check. Oh my gosh. So, for int I, so equals to n. So, yung I is equals to n, which is I is equals to 8. Then, I is less than m, yes? Sorry, excuse me. I is equals to 8, yes. And then, if I is less than 9, yep. So, now we go. Then, I, if, else if I, hindi siya 1, 2, 8 siya. We print out 8, print 8. Then, next is, sunod yan, yung I magiging 9. So, if I is less than 9, no. So, if n 2, odd, else print f. So, nagiging ano siya. Then, sunod nun is magiging 10. Bang, 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 bang. Right? Right? Wait, di malinis. Okay, wait. 8. And then, yung I is magiging 9. And then, I, wait, okay, wait, what? I is less than m. Yung m natin, sabihin na natin 11. Pag 11 na siya, nag-i-stop na siya. Gosh. Tapos, sabihin natin yung m is 9. So, pag 9 na, stop na siya dyan, no. Gusto natin print pati yun, di ba? Kasi, hindi natin mabibilang yan. And then, 9, I is I is print at 9, and then S. Okay. Wait, wait. Oh, oh my gosh. Wait, what? Okay, beginner's luck. Modulo, C++, even and odd. Okay. Okay, okay. Number modulo odd even is equals to 0. Stack Overflow. So, dito. Hindi yan. If num is modulus 2 is equals to 0. If num modulus 2 is equals to 0, we print out even, else odd. mali. May mali, may mali. May mali, may mali, may mali. Kasi N. N is ano naman? What the? So, if N modulus 2, if N modulus 2 even and odd, what the actual freak? Ay, bakit? 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 Ba't siya nag-even pa dito? What the heck? And then, wait, let's check na if pag inod ko to, kung ano lang siya dito, no? Even siya lagi. Wait, let's check na. So, let's say, start siya na 8. We'll print out 8. And then, next nun is isa pa, which is I maging 9. Bang 9 is I, yes, 9. So, we'll print out 9. Bang, and then bang. And now, I is equal to 10. So, if I is equals no, then if N modulus 2 is not equal to 0, print even. Yes, sir. And then print out even. And then I is equals now to 11. Else if N modulus 2 11 is not equals to 0. Equals ba siya sa 0? 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 Ay, wait. N? Yung 8N kasi N, ano ba yung N ko? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, bro. Oof. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ilang minutes yun? Ilang minutes yun? Check natin. Saan yun? Oh my gosh, di ko makita. Oh, 42. Wait. Oh my gosh. 34. 34. What the? Okay. Bye-bye.